Cutting in Simpson County for the well-known business Brite Gen. News 40's Carlisle Coppins has more.
First day we started business, it was going to be the best day of our life, and at noontime was the day that the Twin Tires fell. So we started our company on September the 11th, 2001.
Over the past 25 years, George and his team have been through a lot, from relocating to Franklin to serving people across the region, from Louisville all the way to Huntsville, Alabama. And along the way, he's even had the chance to meet entertainers like Steve-O.
George was one of the first people I met, and I wanted to get like electric volt for my Tesla, and to charge it. He wouldn't let me pay.
The kindness definitely paid off, and George has been able to build lifelong relationships in every community he enters.
We've always treated our customers good. We try to be as honest and uphold integrity. And from day one, our customers seen right through that. They seen that and said, hey, this is great.
Celebrating 25 years is only part of the success. Brite Gen is able to support other nonprofits and organizations, like the local animal shelter.
With as many cats and dogs that we get in, we can always use donations. So it was an awesome way to come celebrate them and their opening here in 25 years in business and help the animals.
The decision to create a space to support nonprofits in the area wasn't a difficult one to make because he knows the impact is greater when everyone comes together.
To be able to live through that is a testament to the strength of the company because, hey, a weak company don't live through this. We regrouped and actually we grew out of that.
In Franklin, because local matters, Carlisle Coppins, WNKY News 40.